I'm going to show you our 2021 through 2023 Yukon Tahoe Escalade fender liner installation kit. This is what comes in the kit. This pulls back the liners in the back corner back here, down here. I'll show you what we did to modify this to get this to work. This little ear down here used to have another ear right here. We trimmed that off, and then down underneath here we actually trimmed it back, and that makes room for the tire to clear. Then our factory bracket bolts in behind here, behind the liner here, and then bolts back in right here with the factory, with the bolt hardware that it comes with. This allows us to pull the liner back far enough to clear the edging of the tire right here on the liner and not having any interference. It is tight. This back part up here is all the way up to the frame, and at full steering lock it comes close, but it does not contact it. But that is the back part of the frame off there to the body. You can see here we left all the fender liner throughout, and then up here the cross member that goes across here, we left it intact. It clears that no problem. There's a couple holes in it. We used a button here, and then we put a screw over in here, which is actually one of the factory screws. We just took it out and then put it back in with our liner in it. And then down here, we pulled the liner back here as far as we could forward. We trimmed the lower part of the bumper down here in the front, and I'll go underneath here in the front so you can see that, just to get an idea what's entailed to do so. It's possible. Here's the kit. It's very possible to get 35s on this. This has got a 2.5-inch lift on it, which is our lift as well. This has the non-air ride suspension on it. This is just your traditional strut coil on this one, but sits really nice. Car drives really good. And here we got 35s on it, and it looks like it's factory. And if you didn't know by looking in the fenders, you would agree. But I will tell you this is no easy task. I don't want anybody to think this was something that we did in just a matter of a couple hours after getting the liners all tucked back in it the way we wanted it and to have the look we wanted. We spent most of half of a day getting this dialed in like this after installing it, but we wanted it to look factory. You can trim it, but we did not want to trim it. We wanted it to all retain the liner. So if you have any questions on this, please feel free to reach out to us. Want to make sure that you're very aware when installing these, what is entailed for your installation on this. Again, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy it. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks again. Bye-bye.